If you have a 1967 to 1972 Chevy or GMC truck and your gap looks like this, we've got what you need to fix it. I'll show you how easy our new product is to install and fixes that gap. Once your bumper's off, this is how the bracket's supplied by us. It does come with the 5 self-tapping screws. It's super easy to install. I'll show you how. So I place it on the truck and I put it even with the bottom of this cross member and I just clamp it in place. And then these are the screws that we supply with the bracket, and they just self-tapper onto the truck like this. And there's 5 of them. It's that easy, and it's installed, ready for your bumper to go back on. That's the bracket installed on the truck, and man, what a difference. Look at how clean it looks now. It gets rid of that gap. They're ready for your choice of either paint to match the truck, or you could powder coat it a black or a texture coating. They look great like that too. If you need one of these tailgate to bumper gap fillers for your truck and want to check out many more cool products, head on over to ekinsgarage.com, place your order today.